Microsoft Power Toys. On your search tab in the left corner of your computer screen, type Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Power Toys. Once installed, you can use all these functions for free. Always on top. Image resize. Text extractor. You can enable the function or change the shortcut key for any function. Microsoft Power Toys Text Extractor. To extract text from an image, press Shift plus Windows plus T. This command will help you extract text from mostly anywhere. To activate the Always on Top function, you need to press Windows plus Control plus T from your keyboard. Once you press the command, the picture will get highlighted and will stay on top until you want it to be there. You can press the same command, Windows plus Control plus T, and the image will no longer stay on the top. Like and subscribe for more.